Hey, what's up, guys? So, in this tutorial series, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover some basics of Docker. Docker is an awesome container service. It's used across the globe now by a lot of companies, a lot of industries, and it is nothing but a way to package your applications in a repeatable, fundamentally easy to deploy manner, so that you have uniform environment across all your systems. So, what we will basically cover now, this is by no means an exhausting list, but this is just a quick summary that we'll be covering something around the lines of installation and configuration. We'll be looking at the fundamentals of Docker. We'll be looking at the components that make the overall Docker ecosystem. It could be images and containers, Docker Hub, Docker Compose, say Docker Swarm, for example, how logging works on Docker, how do you set up your development environment, what is networking and storage in Docker like, what are Docker registries, and we'll also talk about the development aspects of it. So basically, how you can get up and running on dev environments local on your machine if you're using Docker containers in your day-to-day work. Now, who exactly is the target audience for this particular series? To be very honest, I'm not actually creating this series with one particular set of audience in mind. I'm generally keeping it very open ended. Anyone who is interested in learning basics of Docker and see a bit of a touch of advanced uses of Docker and how it is used in production is more than welcome to come and have a look at this series and learn as much as they possibly can. Are there any prerequisites? Well, it would help if you have some knowledge of Unix or Linux command line interface. That's simply because Docker, at its fundamental, uses containers which are actually a Linux providing at its very core. And certain types of things, when we will do in Docker, they will very much be in line with how you are doing some things on your command line interface, but that is not a 100% prerequisite. What I can assure you is, if there is something which I'm going to talk about which I realize that it may not be very common to common for people to know about it, I'll try to cover it in the video itself. But as always, I won't be able to cover everything because I have to limit the videos to the scope of this particular series. However, you can leave comments, you can reach out to me via my YouTube channel, and we'll see how we can create more videos to address certain areas which are gray areas and which people aren't enough comfortable talking about without they having been through some tutorial about. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And let's start with the series.